Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip tribe. Foliage on trend. Larger leaves like aspidistra or tea are so grand to work with. And manipulating them, you can roll, tuck them into an arrangement. If you start and you manipulate, it's so stiff, many times it'll just crack and not look nearly as lovely. If you take a moment before you design, turn it over and scrape off part of that big main vein. What you're doing is removing the backbone. You don't want to cut through because you want to keep the solid leaf, but scrape it down. That way when you go to turn it and roll it, it'll do so without kinking. Now you know the professional technique.